How to change file extensions visibility in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to make file extensions show or hide in File Explorer. First, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. From there, click on View in the toolbar at the top of the window. After that, hover over Show from the drop-down menu that appears. At this point, you'll see an option labeled File Name Extensions in the submenu. From here, click on it to toggle file extensions on or off. If there's a checkmark next to it, extensions are currently visible, and clicking it will hide them. Following this, once enabled, every file in File Explorer will now show its full name, including the extension at the end, like document.pdf or image.png, making it easier to identify file types at a glance. After that, if you want to make this change permanently across all folders, click the three dots in the File Explorer toolbar, select Options, then click the View tab inside the Folder Options window. From here, uncheck the box labeled Hide Extensions for Known File Types and click Apply, then OK to save it as a global setting across your entire device. Finally, keep in mind that showing file extensions is useful if you need to rename or convert files, since you can see and change the extension directly from File Explorer. That's how you change file extensions visibility in